Hello art friends, it's Tineke here. Today I show you how to paint a minimalistic seascape using just two key colors. I love the color palette I used in my previous video using Prussian blue, burnt umber and titanium white. If you missed it and want to know more about this color palette, make sure to watch the previous video where I dive deep into these colors. Now let's dive into our current project. I'm going to show you how I use the same colors to create a minimalistic, easy to paint seascape that captures the essence of nature in its most simplistic form. Again, I am working in my new Artway sketchbook, which I got on Amazon. The link is in the description. I've prepared the surface with gesso to make it more paint friendly. Once the gesso is dry, I started mixing colors. I am using the same combination of Prussian blue, burnt umber and titanium white, just as in my previous video. With these two colors plus white, you can create a range of hues. Let's begin painting. I'm starting with a gentle gradient in the sky, blending the colors smoothly to achieve a tranquil atmosphere. As I continue, notice how the limited color palette brings a sense of harmony and balance to the piece. Let's allow the painting process to tell its own story, so sit back and enjoy. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to watch my previous one where I've used the same color palette with a different result. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more art inspiration. I like to hear from you if you will try this color combination for your own artwork. Thank you for watching and I hope I will see you next time.